ॐ शुक्लांभरधरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करभावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। अगजानन पद्मार्कं गजाननमहर्निशम् अनेकदन्तं भक्तानाम् एकदन्तमुपास्महे। श्रीमहागणपतये नमः। गुरवे सर्वलोकानां भिषजे भवरोगिणां निधये सर्वविद्यानां श्रीदक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। अस्मद्गुरुचरणारविन्दाभ्यां नमः। वसुदेवसुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुं। ज्ञानानन्दमयं देवं निर्मलस्फटिकाकृतिम् आधारं सर्वविद्यानां श्रीहयग्रीवमुपास्महे। श्रीहयग्रीवमूर्तये नमः। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। श्रीमहासरस्वत्यै नमः। उमाकोमलहस्ताब्जसम्भावितललाटकं हिरण्यकुण्डलं वन्दे कुमारं पुष्करस्रजं। வெற்றிவேல் முருகனுக்கு ஹரஹரோஹரா. லோகவீர்யம் மகாபூஜ்யம் சர்வரக்ஷாகரம் விபும் பார்வதி ஹிருதயானந்தம் சாஸ்தாரம் பிரணமாம்யகம். சுவாமியே சரணமையப்பா. வாகர்த்தாவிவ சம்பிரக்தௌ வாகர்த்த பிரதிபத்தயே ஜகதः பிதரௌ வந்தே பார்வதி பரமேஸ்வரௌ. श्री पार्वती परमेश्वराभ्यां नमः। कोमलं कूजयन् वेणुं श्यामलोऽयं कुमारकः वेदवेद्यं परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। अस्मद्गुरुचरणारविन्दाभ्यां नमः। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे श्रीनाथ नारायण वासुदेव। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे श्रीनाथ नारायण वासुदेव। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे श्रीनाथ नारायण वासुदेव। पीताम्बरं करविराजितचक्रशङ्खकौमोदकी सरसिजं करुणासमुद्रं राधासहायम् अतिसुन्दरमन्दहासं वातालयेशम् अनिशं हृदि भावयामि। कृष्णो रक्षतु मां चराचरगुरुः कृष्णं नमस्ये सदा। कृष्णे नैव सुरक्षितोऽहमसकृत् कृष्णाय दत्तं मनः। कृष्णादेव समुद्भवो मम विभो कृष्णस्य दासोऽस्म्यहं। कृष्णे भक्तिरचञ्चलास्तु भगवन् हे कृष्ण तुभ्यं नमः। श्रीगुरुवायूरप्पा शरणं। नम्राणां सन्निधत्ते सततमपि पुरस्तैरणभ्यर्थितानपि अर्थान् कामानजस्रं वितरति परमानन्दसान्द्रां गतिं च। इत्थं निःशेषलभ्यो निरवधिकफलः पारिजातो हरे त्वं क्षुद्रं तं शक्रवाटी ध्रुममभिलषति व्यर्थमर्त्यव्रजोऽयम्। श्रीगुरुवायूरप्पा शरणं। श्रीभट्टपादम् अनिशं हृदि भावयामि। वंशी विभूषितकरात् नवनीरदाभात् पीताम्बरात् अरुणबिम्बफलाधरोष्टात् पूर्णेन्दुसुन्दरमुखात् अरविन्दनेत्रात् कृष्णात् परं किमपि तत्त्वमहं न जाने। കൈരണ്ടും കൂപ്പി ഞാൻ വീണ്ടുമീറക്കുന്നു നീരജലോചന നിന്നോടായി. ഏതീനു മഞ്ഞനെ കുമ്പീരേണ്ടാത്തോരു രീതിയിൽ നീ എന്നെ പാലിക്കെന്നായി. കൃഷ്ണ ഹരേ ജയ കൃഷ്ണ ഹരേ ജയ കൃഷ്ണ ഹരേ ജയ കൃഷ്ണ ഹരേ. Everyone, welcome to the class today. Nikki, few are not able to join. Uma Kashyap, Okay, so Amuchiji, you can be a student today, and then sorry guys, I'm looking everybody else. People I wanted are not on the call today. Satya, you can be a student. Okay, Satya and Amuchiji can be students.
Okay.
Okay, so today we'll start with 5. Okay, so in the 5 is kind of the evolution of the cosmos, and the 6 is even more important. 6 is like the Virat Swarupa Varnanam, right? So for those who feel like you heard Purusha Suktam, but you feel like you're not able to chant it, or haven't chanted it, it has the same meaning. In fact, some of the stanzas are literal meanings. Some of them are literal meanings of what actually comes there. But anyway, we'll start with 5. Stanza 1. व्यक्ताव्यक्तमिदं न किञ्चिदभवत् प्राक्-प्राकृतप्रक्षये मायायां गुणसाम्यरुद्धविकृतौ त्वय्यागतायां लयम् नो मृत्युश्च तथामृतं च समभूत् नान्नो न रात्रे स्थितिः तत्रैकस्त्वमशिष्यताः किल परानन्दप्रकाशात्मना. So first, so vyakta vyaktam, so vyakta avyakta, but together vyakta vyaktam idam na kinchida bhavat. So put a bhavat after that, it you can put a comma, bhavat prakrita prakshaye, comma mayayam guna samya ruddha vikrutau, comma त्वय्या गतायां लयम्. व्यक्ताव्यक्तमिदं न किञ्चिदभवत् प्राक्-प्राकृतप्रक्षये मायायां गुणसाम्यरुद्धविकृतौ त्वय्या गतायां लयम्. Amuchiji, you want to go first?
Sure. व्यक्ताव्यक्तमिदं न किञ्चिदभवत् प्राक्-प्राकृतप्रक्षये मायायां गुणसाम्यरुद्धविकृतौ त्वय्यागतायां लयम्. व्यक्ताव्यक्तमिदं न किञ्चिदभवत् प्राक्-प्राकृतप्रक्षये मायायां गुणसाम्यरुद्धविकृतौ त्वय्यागतायां लयम्.
व्यक्ताव्यक्तमिदं न किञ्चिदभवत् प्राक्-प्राकृतप्रक्षये व्यक्ताव्यक्तमिदं न किञ्चिदभवत् प्राक्-प्राकृतप्रक्षये मायायां गुणसाम्यरुद्धविकृतौ त्वय्यागतायां लयम्. व्यक्ताव्यक्तमिदं न किञ्चिदभवत् प्राक्-प्राकृतप्रक्षये मायायां गुणसाम्यरुद्धविकृतौ त्वय्यागतायां लयम्.
No mrityuscha tadamritam cha samabhoot. So and there, if you have samabhoon and then na, remove that half in and then put a it, samabhoot, comma. So next time remove that half in. So next line becomes nahno na ratrehe is there. So put a is to join. Ratres stitihi. Visarga at the end of that line and then a comma. Samabhoot nahno na ratres stitihi, comma. Next line is goes away. So tatraikas tvam ashishyata or tvam ashishyata. Ashishyataha is there, so put a ih to join. So tatraikas tvam ashishyatah kila, comma parananda prakashatmana. No mrityuscha tadamritam cha samabhoot nahno naratre stitihi tatraikas tvam ashishyatah kila parananda prakashatmana.
Rajesh, one question. And the third line, is it nando? Because book la nando potirukku.
Okay, how do you spell it? How are you spelling it?
Nando.
Doa.
Nando potirukku.
Oh no, it's not. No, so it will be like type it 1 second.
என்னோட புக்ல நான் ஹோன்னு இருக்கு ராஜேஷ்.
So nah, no.
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 Oh, okay, it's
Nah,
different.
no,
Okay.
okay.
Na, no. Okay.
Rajesh, and whenever we have that ha in the Sanskrit, we always say it like reversely. Like if it is na, no, you either make that ha silent or no, right?
So ahnehe, the word is
Devi Mahatmyam appadithane.
One.
So okay, let me follow up and see how what they're saying, because the actual letter, the ha, is coming first.
First, but when that happens, we always say it reverse. Ha only for the letter ha, half of ha.
Okay, let me follow it up. Okay.
Okay.
Shall I go?
Yeah, go ahead, Muchichi.
No mrityuscha tadamritam cha samabhud nanno naratre sthidihi tatraigastvamashishyatha khila sparananda prakashatmanam. I messed it up, I'm sorry. No mrityuscha tadamritam cha samabhud nanno naratre sthidihi tatraigastvamashishyatha khila parananda prakashatmana.
No mrityushta tadamritam cha samabhut nahno ratre stitihi
Tvam ashishyatah kila.
Oh, okay.
Or together, tvam ashishyatah.
Okay. Tatraikastvamashishyatāh kila parananda prakashatmana. No mrityushta tadamritam cha samabhut nahno naratre stitihi tatraikastvamashyatvama. ஐயோ அந்த வேர்ட் வர மாட்டேங்குது.
Shishya இருக்கு இல்லையா, ashishya.
Oh,
So
tatraikastvamashishyatāh kila parananda prakashatmana.
Stanza 2. Kalah karma gunascha jeevanivahaः vishwam cha karyam vibho chillīlarati meyushi tvaitadha nirlīnatāmāyayuhu teshām naiva vadantya sattvamayī bhoः shakyatmanā tishtatāम् no chet kim gagana prasūna sadrushām bhūyo bhavet sambhavah. So kalaha, so kala, if you can add if there, kala karma gunascha jiva nivahaha. So if this visarga is not there, just put a visarga there. Jiva nivahaha and then a comma. Vishwam cha karyam vibho, comma. Chil leelaratim ayushi.
Rajesh, you are having some
Audio கேக்கலையா?
I don't know, I hear your voice கொஞ்சம் break ஆகி கேக்குது.
Even I am hearing it.
Was it? Okay. I don't think any Netflix is running, but once again, let me close the door because I can hear the birds chirping. If it's still not clear after a few minutes, let me know. I'll just redial. Okay. So chill on the next word. Chill leelaratim. So chillilaratim. Ayushi. So those are the three ways you can break it, but you can say it together as well. Chillilaratim ayushi is also fine. Tvai tada, comma. Nirlina tam ayayuhu. Nirlinatam ayayuhu. Kalah karma gunascha jiva nivahaha vishwam cha karyam vibho chillīlarati meyushi tvaitadha nirlinatam ayayuhu.
Kalah karma gunascha jiva nivahaha vishwam cha karyam vibho chillīlarati meyushi tvaitadha nirlīnatāmāyayuhu. Kalah karma gunascha jiva nivahaha vishwam cha karyam vibho chillīlarati meyushi tvaitadha nirlīnatāmāyayuhu.
कालः कर्म गुणाश जीवनिवहाः विश्वं च कार्यं विभो चिल्लीलारति मेयुषि त्वयि तदा निर्लीनताम् आययुः कालः कर्म गुणाश जीवनिवहाः विश्वं च कार्यं विभो चिल्लीलारति मेयुषि त्वयि तदा निर्लीनताम् आययुः
तेषां नैव वदन्त्य सत्त्वं वदन्त्य सत्त्वम् अयि भोः कॉमा शक्त्यात्मना तिष्ठतां कॉमा नो चेत् किं गगन प्रसून सदृशां कॉमा भूयो भवेत् संभवः तेषां नैव वदन्त्य सत्त्वमयि भोः शक्त्यात्मना तिष्ठतां नो चेत् किं गगन प्रसून सदृशां भूयो भवेत् संभवः
तेषां नैव वदन्त्य सत्त्वमयि तेषां नैव वदन्त्य सत्त्वमयि भोः शक्त्यात्मना तिष्ठतां नो चेत् किं गगनप्रसून सदृशां भूयो भवेत् संभवः तेषां नैव वदन्त्य सत्त्वमयि भोः शक्त्यात्मना तिष्ठतां नो चेत् किं गगनप्रसून सदृशां भूयो भवेत् संभवः
तेषां नैव वदन्त्य सत्त्वमयि भोः शक्त्यात्मना तिष्ठतां नो चेत् किं गगनप्रसून सदृशां भूयो भवेत् संभवः तेषां नैव वदन्त्य सत्त्वमयि भोः शक्त्यात्मना तिष्ठतां नो चेत् किं गगनप्रसून सदृशां भूयो भवेत् संभवः
Answer 3. एवं च द्विपरार्धकाल विगता वीक्षांसि शिक्षात्मिकां बिभ्राणे त्वयि चुक्षुभे त्रिभुवनी भावाय माया स्वयं मायातः खलु कालशक्तिरखिला दृष्टं स्वभावोऽपि च प्रादुर्भूय गुणान् विकास्य विदधुः तस्याः सहायक्रियाम्. So evam cha द्वि परार्ध काल विगता वीक्षां सि सृक्षात्मिकां so continuous comma बिभ्राणे त्वयि comma चुक्षुभे त्रिभुवनी भावाय माया स्वयं. So in this one so I'm trying to think. I think there's one place in Devi Mahatmyam where it actually references this, but I forgot which one that was. So essentially, when Vishnu is in inertia at rest, so at that time the Yoga Maya is inside or resting inside Vishnu. So only when the Yoga Maya comes out, then the process of creation starts. So at the deluge item, when there is a process of silence and nothing is happening, at that time everything is inside Vishnu Mari. Yeah. So even Yoga Maya is inside Vishnu. And then when Yoga Maya comes out, then that's when all these various things start. So that's what is there in the next couple of stanzas. That's where you'll see the word Maya come in and all those things. So, evam cha dviparardhakala vigata viksham sisrikshatnikam bhibrane tvai chukshubhe tribhuvani bhavaya maya swayam.
एवं च द्विपरार्धकाल विगता वीक्षांसि सृक्षात्मिकां बिभ्राणे त्वयि चुक्षुभे त्रिभुवनी भावाय माया स्वयं एवं च द्विपरार्धकाल विगता वीक्षांसि सृक्षात्मिकां बिभ्राणे त्वयि चुक्षुभे त्रिभुवनी भावाय माया स्वयं.
Rajesh, is there a pause? Evam cha Pakapram?
Ille.
It's a whole line, right?
Yeah, whole line. But sometimes in some, originally I know in some places they were pausing in like one version of it, right? They would say evam cha dviparardha, but it's okay if we are able to say it together, then it's fine. Or you can just say it continuous.
Okay. एवं च द्विपरार्धकालविगता वीक्षां सिसृक्षात्मिकां बिभ्राणे त्वयि चुक्षुभे त्रिभुवनी भावाय माया स्वयम् एवं च द्विपरार्धकाला विगता वीक्षां सिसृक्षात्मिकां
Kala, you put the a extra there, that's why it went off. Evam cha dviparardha kala.
Oh, okay, now extra, okay. एवं च द्विपरार्धकालविगता वीक्षां सिसृक्षात्मिकां सिसृक्षात्
Correct.
एवं च द्विपरार्धकालविगता वीक्षां सिसृक्षात्मिकां बिभ्राणे त्वयि चुक्षुभे त्रिभुवनी भावाय माया स्वयं. One more time.
Oh, that's okay, got it, fine. Mayatah, so put a ich there. Mayatah kalu, comma, kala shaktir akhila. That's the break there, or you can say it together. So kala shaktir akhila drishtam swabhavopi cha, comma, pradur bhuya gunan vikhasya vidaduhu. And the is after the dhu, remove that is, put a comma, vidaduhu tasyas sahaya kriyam. Mayatah khalu kala shaktirakhila drishtam swabhavopi cha pradurbhuya gunan vikasya vidaduhu tasyas sahaya kriyam.
Rajesh, there's a pause. Sorry, Amajit. There's a pause in the last line. Where do you say?
Vidaduhu, kapra.
Okay.
मायाधः खलु कालशक्तिरखिला दृष्टं स्वभावोऽपि च प्रादुर्भूय गुणान् विगास्य विदधुः तस्या सहायक्रियाम् मायाधः खलु कालशक्तिरखिला दृष्टं स्वभावोऽपि च प्रादुर्भूय गुणान् विगास्य विदधुः तस्या सहायक्रियाम्
मायातः खलु कालशक्तिरखिला दृष्टं स्वभावोऽपि च प्रादुर्भूय गुणान् विकास्य विदधुः तस्या सहायक्रियाम् मायातः खलु कालशक्तिरखिला दृष्टं स्वभावोऽपि च प्रादुर्भूय गुणान् विकास्य विदधुः तस्या सहायक्रियाम्.
That's a 4. Maya sannihito pravishta vapusha sakshiti ghito bhavan bhedaistam pratibhimbato vibhishivan jivopi naiva parah kaladi pratibodhitata bhavata sanchodita cha swayam maya sakhalu buddhi tattvamasrujadhyosau mahanuchyate. So Maya sannihito, and then that apravishta, you can't say it as apravishta. So Maya sannihito pravishta vapusha, comma, sakshiti gito bhavan, comma, bhedaistam pratibhimbato vibhishivan, comma, jivopi naiva paraha. माह्या सन्निहितो प्रविष्ट वपुषां साक्षीति गीतो भवान् भेदैस्तां प्रतिबिम्बतो विविशिवान् जीवोऽपि नैवापरः.
माया सन्निहितो प्रविष्ट वपुषा साक्षीति गीतो भवान् भेदैस्तं प्रतिबिम्बतो विविशिवान् जीवोऽपि नैवापरः. माया सन्निहितो प्रविष्ट वपुषा साक्षीति गीतो भवान् भेदैस्तं प्रतिबिम्बतो विविशिवान् जीवोऽपि नैवापरः.
माया सन्निहितो प्रविष्ट वपुषा साक्षीति गीतो भवान् भेदैस्तां प्रतिबिम्बतो विविशिवान् जीवोऽपि नैवापरः. माया सन्निहितो प्रविष्ट वपुषा साक्षीति गीतो भवान् भेदैस्तां प्रतिबिम्बतो विविशिवान् जीवोऽपि नैवापरः.
कालादि प्रतिबोधिताथ भवता कॉमा संचोदिता च स्वयं कॉमा माया सा खलु कॉमा बुद्धि. So the next one on the, it is 3 words there. Tattvam asrijat yosau. Okay, so tattvam asrijat yosau, but you kind of have to combine it. So asrijat plus yosau become asrijat dyosau. That's where the dyo letter is there, right? So tattvam asrijat dyosau. So try to say it together. Worst case, you can break it at tattvam asrijat dyosau if you're not able to say it together.
Rajesh, one question, is it Dhyosau or is it Yosau? என்னோட bookல year போட்டிருக்கு.
அதான், so it is asrijat plus yosau.
Okay.
Okay, 2 different words, right? So asrijat plus yosau, when you say it together, it becomes asrijat dyosau.
Okay, thank you.
कालादि प्रतिबोधिताथ भवता संचोदिता च स्वयं माया सा खलु बुद्धितत्त्वमसृजद्योऽसौ महानुच्यते.
कालादिप्रतिबोधिताथ भवदा सञ्चोदिता च स्वयं माया सा खलु बुद्धितत्त्वमसृजद्योऽसौ महानुच्यते. कालादिप्रतिबोधिताथ भवता सञ्चोदिता च स्वयं माया सा खलु बुद्धितत्त्वमसृजद्योऽसौ महानुच्यते. I have to stop. I have to pause after Kalu. I'm sorry.
Yeah.
कालादि प्रतिबोधितात भवता संचोदिता च स्वयं माया सा खलु बुद्धितत्त्वमसृजद्योऽसौ महानुच्यते. कालादि प्रतिबोधितात भवता संचोदिता च स्वयं माया सा खलु बुद्धितत्त्वमसृजद्योऽसौ महानुच्यते.
तत्रासौ त्रिगुणात्मकोऽपि च महान् सत्त्वप्रधानः स्वयं जीवेऽस्मिन् खलु निर्विकल्पमहमित्युद्बोधनिष्पादकः. चक्रेऽस्मिन् सविकल्पबोधकमहं तत्त्वं महान् खल्वसौ सम्पुष्टं त्रिगुणैस्तमोति बहुलं विष्णो भवत्प्रेरणात्. तत्रासौ त्रिगुणात्मकोऽपि च महान् comma sattva pradhanah is there, so put is sattva pradhanah swayam comma jeevesmin khalu nirvikalpam aham. Okay, so first other, but again I'm breaking it, but see if you can say it together. So nirvikalpam aham ityudbodha nishpadakaha. Okay, so that's how you break it, but when you're saying it, you can say nirvikalpa mahamit yudbodha nishpadakaha. Tatrasau trigunatmakopi cha mahan sattva pradhana swayam jeevesmin khalu nirvikalpa mahamit yudbodha nishpadakaha.
So inge on the kalu kapram kamava.
Comma, yes.
तत्रासौ त्रिगुणात्मकोऽपि च महान् सत्त्वप्रधानः स्वयं जीवेऽस्मिन् खलु निर्विकल्पमहमित्युद्बोधनिष्पादकः. तत्रासौ त्रिगुणात्मकोऽपि च महान् सत्त्वप्रधानः स्वयं जीवेऽस्मिन् खलु निर्विकल्पमहमित्युद्बोधनिष्पादकः. I think I lost somewhere.
Yeah, nishpadakaha. That's it. The last one.
Shall I do the second two lines?
Go ahead.
जीवेऽस्मिन् खलु निर्विकल्पमहमित्युद्बोधनिष्पादकः.
तत्रासौ त्रिगुणात्मकोऽपि च महान् सत्त्वप्रधानः स्वयं जीवेऽस्मिन् खलु निर्विकल्पमहमित्युद्बोधनिष्पादकः. Even I lost it somewhere.
No, it is okay, not bad. Go ahead, yeah.
तत्रासौ त्रिगुणात्मकोऽपि च महान् तत्त्वप्रधानस्वयं जीवेऽस्मिन् खलु निर्विकल्पमहमित्युद्बोधनिष्पादकः.
Chakresmin savikalpa bodhaka mahan tattvam mahan khalvasau. So no pause at the end of the line, comma. Sampushtam trigunais tamoti bahulam, comma. Vishnu bhavat preranat. Chakresmin savikalpa bodhaka mahan tattvam mahan khalvasau. Sampushtam trigunaistamoti bahulam Vishnu bhavat preranat.
चक्रेऽस्मिन् सविकल्पबोधगमहं तत्त्वं महान् खल्वसौ सम्पुष्टं त्रिगुणैस्तमोदिबहुलं विष्णो भवत्प्रेरणात्. प्रेरणात्. चक्रेऽस्मिन् सविकल्पबोधगमहं तत्त्वं महान् खल्वसौ सम्पुष्टं त्रिगुणैस्तमोदिबहुलं विष्णो भवत्प्रेरणात्.
चक्रेऽस्मिन् सविकल्पबोधकमहं तत्त्वं महान् कल्वसौ सम्पुष्टं त्रिगुणैस्तमोति बहुलं विष्णो भवत्प्रेरणात्.
The bahulam kapran is a pause, okay?
चक्रेऽस्मिन् सविकल्पबोधकमहं तत्त्वं महान् कल्वसौ सम्पुष्टं त्रिगुणैस्तमोति बहुलं विष्णो भवत्प्रेरणात्.
So I don't know who I was telling, I don't know who I was talking to, and after last week's Parayanam, right? So in the like we said, right, for example, that last line, that comma, you technically don't have to put a comma there. You can say it all the way through. If you're saying it all the way through, it's okay only. But and the reason sometimes you put comma is if somebody's not able to say the full line together, you kind of give a little bit of a break, and you give a break at the right spot, right? So the challenge will happen, as you might have noticed last week during the Parayanam, is when somebody doesn't stop or stops at the wrong place, you immediately go off with that from that person, right? Especially if that person is saying loud and the person is running it on the mic, then all of a sudden everybody seems to be off, right? So that's the only reason we are enforcing that only stop at the comma. Otherwise, if there's no comma, then don't stop. That way everybody is able to, at least the 30-40 people who we are chanting are able to sync in or say it in a consistent manner, right? So all of that. So, stanza 6. Soham chatrigunakramat trividatham asadya vaikariko bhuyastaijasatamasa viti bhavan adhyena sattvatmana devanindriyamanino krita disha vatarka pashyashvino vahnindra-chudamitrakan viduvide Sri Rudra Sharirakan. Soham cha triguna kramat, comma, trividatham asadhya vaikariko, comma, bhuyas taijasa tamasaviti bhavan. Bhavan, you see a small n and a big n. So bhavan, comma, next word is adhyena sattvatmana. Sohyam chatrigunakramat trividatham asadhya vaikariko bhuyastaijasatamasa viti bhavan adhyena sattvatmana.
Rajesh, is it soham or soyam?
So
Everybody Rajesh.
இல்ல சஹ அஹம் தான் போட்டுருக்கு.
இல்ல சோயம் எங்களுக்குல சோஹம் இருக்கு.
அதான் சோஹம்.
சோஹம் போட்டுருக்கு.
That was a mistake.
You said soyam.
நீங்க
Oh, my bad then. My bad. Soham. Yeah.
அப்புறம் அந்த செகண்ட் லைன்ல is it தாமசௌ or தாமசா?
தாமசா.
The bhuyas taijasa tamasaviti.
Oh, இன்னொரு
Tamas.
Maybe they have
தாமசௌ
it as
போட்டிருக்கு.
தாமசௌ
தாமசௌ
இத்தின்னு இருக்கும்.
Samaso
Tamasau
iti. What is the next word?
இதி.
Yeah, so that's all. So that's what, either they've kept it separately or they joined it. So since it is joined in most of the books, then it becomes tamasaviti. So tamasau plus iti is tamasaviti.
தாமசாவிதி. Oh, it's a ver then, is it? Is it a ver?
V, yes, Victor.
Ver. Okay,
Yeah.
okay, thank you.
सोऽहं च त्रिगुणक्रमात् त्रिविधताम् आसाद्य वैकारिको भूयस्तैजसतामसा विधिभवन् आद्येन सत्त्वात्मना सोऽहं च त्रिगुणक्रमात् त्रिविधताम् आसाद्य वैकारिको भूयस्तैजसतामसा विधिभवन् आद्येन सत्त्वात्मना
सोऽहं च त्रिगुणक्रमात् त्रिविधताम्, right?
Yeah.
सोऽहं च त्रिगुणक्रमात् त्रिविधताम् आसाद्य वैकारिको भूयस्तैजसतामसा विधिभवन् आद्येन सत्त्वात्मना सोऽहं च त्रिगुणक्रमात् त्रिविधताम् आसाद्य वैकारिको भूयस्तैजसतामसा विधिभवन् आद्येन सत्त्वात्मना
Devan Indriya. So Devan Indriya Mani no Krita. Krita. So Krita, comma. So Mani no Krita, comma. Disha Vatarka Pashyashvino. So Ashvino. So remember the word Ashvino. So Pashyashvino, comma. So again, the fourth line has the ich and the ni. So we'll follow up on that anyway on that. So Vahnindrachuta. So it's Vahni, Indra, Achyuta. 3 words. So Vahnindrachuta, Mitrakan, Bidu, Bidi, Sri Rudra, Sharirakan. So no comma there. Together. Devanindriyamani no krita. Disha Vatarkapashyashvino Vahnindrachutamitrakan Viduvide Sri Rudra Sharirakan
देवानिन्द्रियमानिनो कृत दिशावादर्कपाश्वश्विनो वन्निन्द्राच्युतमित्रगान् विदुविदि श्रीरुद्रशारीरकान् देवानिन्द्रियमानिनो कृत दिशावादर्कपाश्वश्विनो वन्निन्द्राच्युत
Pashyashvino
देवानिन्द्रियमानिनो कृत दिशावादार्कपाश्वश्विनो वन्निन्द्राच्युतमित्रकान् विदुविदि श्रीरुद्रशारीरकान्
I heard that last word. I'm hearing it as Pashvashvino is what I'm hearing. B, it's Pashyashvino.
Pashyashwino.
Okay, you might have probably said that. I heard it that way, so that's all.
Yashwino. Thank you.
देवानिन्द्रियमानिनो कृत दिशा वातार्कपाश्यश्विनो वह्नीन्द्राच्युतमित्रकान् विदुविदि श्रीरुद्रशारीरकान् देवानिन्द्रियमानिनो कृत दिशा वातार्कपाश्यश्विनो वह्नीन्द्राच्युतमित्रकान् विदुविदि श्रीरुद्रशारीरकान्
I'll be curious to see what this indirectly how you say Vahni, because it's referring to Agni here, and we don't say Angi like one he, like I think then somebody was saying, right? You put in front somehow. I don't know how that will work in this case because Vahni is Agni.
Yeah, but the ha becomes silent, and then you either say like Vanni
or something. Yeah, that's what I'm curious to see what they end up saying. Because there are multiple. In this case, it is Agni, so the ni anyway comes at the end. So anyway, we'll follow up and see.
We have done like several of these chapters. Minnadi kuda we have done only like the half.
See, I'm telling you that there are two. I searched this online like several months back, or almost a year back or something, and they say there are a few things in Sanskrit where you'll have 2 points of view, and this ich and ni is one of those things where they literally said there's one school of thought which is you say ih anni. Another school of thought which says it's vanni அப்படின்னு. So அதனால வந்து it to some extent it depends on who you'll end up asking, but we can I think we'll take it as a challenge to go actually figure it out, right? And ask somebody who's an expert in Sanskrit to see what they say about it.
ராஜேஷ் துஷ்யந்த் ஸ்ரீதரோடதெல்லாம் எடுத்து பார்க்கணுமா?
ஆமா.
இல்ல இந்த வன்னிங்கிறது வந்து it comes in Devi Mahatmya.
I know.
And, yeah,
sometimes I end up saying Vahni, sometimes I end up saying Vanni, because even I'll get confused, like what is the right thing to say there, right? So it's one of those things. No. Anyway, so what we'll do is let's have two other people, because since the whole class, I don't want everybody to be sitting idle. So maybe Lakshmi and Danya, you can be students for the next half of the class, because we didn't have any review session today, right? So
yeah, I was hoping for a review. I'm like, oh, okay, directly we started as student.
Last time we already did all the chapters, so I didn't want to have reviews. It's stanza 7.
So who's going now?
Oh, I thought didn't you already finish 6?
No. You said who is going to go next half?
Oh, Danya and Lakshmi.
So now I'll retire then.
Yeah, you and Ammu Chechi can mute. Yeah. Stanza 7. Bhuman manasa buddhyaham kritimila chittakya vrittyan vitam tachantah karanam vibho tavabalat satvamshaye bhasrujate jatastaijashato dashendriya ganah tattatmasamshat punah tanmatram dhabaso marut purapate shabdo jani tvadbhalat. So bhuman manasa buddhyahankriti. So the one way to kind of break it would be buddhi ahankriti. So buddhyahankriti, manasa buddhyahankriti milach chittakya vrityanvitam. So continuous in comma. Tachantaha is there, so put a if to join. Tachantah karanam vibho tava balat, comma satvamsha eva srijat. Bhuman manasa buddhyahankriti mila chittakya vrityanvitam tachantah karanam vibho tava balat satvamsha eva srijat.
Bhuman manasa buddhyahankriti mila chittakya vrityanvitam tachantah karanam vibho tava balat satvamsha eva srijat. Bhuman manasa buddhyahankriti mila chittakya vrityanvitam tachantah karanam vibho tava balat satvamsha eva srijat.
Bhuman manasa buddhyahankriti milachittakya vrityanvitam tachantah karanam vibho tava balat satvamsha eva srijat. Bhuman manasa buddhyahankriti milachittakya vrityanvitam tachantah karanam vibho tava balat satvamsha eva srijat.
Jatas taijasato dashendriya ganaha. So is, remove that is, put a visarga, ganaha, comma tattama samshat punaha. So visarga at the end of that line, a comma. Tattama samshat punaha. Next line is goes away. So tanmatram nabaso marut purapate, comma shabdo jani tvadbhalat. Jatastaijashato dashendriya ganah tattamasamshat punah tanmatram nabaso marut purapate shabdo janitvad
Jatastaijashato dashendriya ganah tattamasamshat punah tanmatram nabhaso marut purapate shabdo janit vadbalat. Jatastaijashato dashendriya ganah tattamasamshat punah tanmatram nabhaso marut purapate shabdo janit शब्दो जनित्वद्बलात् அங்க ரொம்ப கொஞ்சம் கஷ்டமா இருக்கு
Shabdo jani.
जनित्वद्बलात् yes शब्दो जनित्वद्बलात्
जातस्तैजसतो दशेन्द्रियगणः तत्तामसं तत्तामसांशात् पुनः तन्मात्रं नभसो मरुत्पुरपते शब्दो जनित्वद्बलात् जातस्तैजसतो दशेन्द्रियगणः तत्तामसांशात् पुनः तन्मात्रं नभसो मरुत्पुरपते शब्दो जनित्वद्बलात्
Shabdhat vyoma tatah sasarjita vibho sparsham tato marutam tasmad dhrupamato mahota charasam toyam cha gandham mahim evam madava purva kalanat adhyatya dharman vitam bhuta gramamimam tvameva bhagavan prakashayastamasat. So Shabdad Vyoma, comma, Tataha, so put is Tatas Sasarjita Vibho, Sparsham Tato Marutam, comma, Tasmad Rupamato, Tasmad Rupamato, so Tasmad Rupamato, Mahota Cha Rasam, comma, Toyam Cha Gandham Mahim. Shabdad Vyoma ततः ससर्जित विभो स्पर्शं ततो मारुतं तस्माद्रूपमतो महोत चरसं तोयं च गन्धं महीम्.
शब्दाद्व्योम ततस्तसर्जित विभो स्पर्शं ततो मारुतं तस्माद्रूपमतो महोऽथ चरसं तोयं च गन्धं महीम् शब्दाद्व्योम ततस्तसर्जित विभो स्पर्शं ततो मारुतं तस्माद्रूपमतो महोऽथ चरसं तोयं च गन्धं महीम्.
Rajesh, in the second line la tasmad rupava tasmad rupava
तस्मा मा
dirgham okay okay thank you शब्दाद् व्योम ततः ससर्जित विभो स्पर्शं ततो मारुतं तस्माद् रूपमतो महोऽथ चरसं तोयं च गन्धं महीम् शब्दाद् व्योम ततः ससर्जित जिथ विभो स्पर्शं ततो मारुतां तस्माद्
मारुतं
करेक्ट मारुतं तस्माद्रूपमतो महोध चरसं तोयं च गन्धं महीम्
एवं माधव पूर्व kalanat it. So it and then a comma, and the that you have, so remove that, put a it and then a comma. Next you start it with a a. So adhyadhya dharmanvitam, comma, bhuta gramam ivam or gramam imam tvameva bhagavan, comma, prakashayas tamasat. एवं माधव पूर्व कलनात् आध्याध्य धर्मान्वितं भूतग्राममिमं त्वमेव भगवन् प्राकाशयस्तामसात्.
एवं माधव पूर्व कलनात् आद्याद्य धर्मान्वितं भूतग्राममिमं त्वमेव भगवन् प्राकाशयस्तामसात् एवं माधव पूर्व कलनात् आद्याद्य धर्मान्वितं भूतग्राममिमं त्वमेव भगवन् प्राकाशयस्तामसात्
एवं माधव पूर्वकलनात् आध्याद्य धर्मान्वितं भूतग्राममिमं त्वमेव भगवन् प्राकाशयस्तामसात् एवं माधव पूर्वपूर्वकलनात् आध्यात्म्यधर्मान्वितं भूतग्राममिमं त्वमेव भगवन् प्राकाश्य
prakasha.
प्राकाश ओके करेक्ट
Akasham. Remember the word akasha.
ओके प्राकाश यस्तामसात्.
Right. So just one, so they have given this, since is the evolution of how the cosmos came about. So the way the Pancha Bhutangal, right? So the space, air, fire, water, earth, right? So it starts first with space. That's the first one. And space, it has got only one attribute or one characteristics, which is sound. It is only sound you can hear in space. So next air comes. So air, you can feel the air, right? And you can also hear air. So it's adding that hearing aspect, or sorry, the feeling aspect to it next. So next to fire vardu. So fire like you can feel the fire, you can hear the fire also when the fire is burning, and the fire also has a form to it. So when something is burning, the fire has different shapes that it takes, right? So the fire is adding the form to it. So next you add water. After fire comes water. So water, you can feel the water, you can hear when the water is flowing, right? You can then touch the water and feel the water, and you can also taste the water. So taste is getting added to that water. And the last one is the earth, which has a smell, because water by default does not have smell. Air by default does not have smell, right? But earth by default has smell. So that's how this the Pancha Bhutangalku, the 5 sense organs are gradually building on top of it, on top of each other, right? So that's what it is saying. From this came that, from this came that. They're describing that. Okay, so stanza 9. Ethe bhutaganastathendriya ghanaha devascha jhata pratang noshe kurbhuvananda nirmita vidau devairamibhistada tvam nanavida suktibhirnuta gunaha tatvanyamунhya vishanhe cheshta shakti mudiryatani ghatayan hairanyamandham vyadhaha. So ete bhutaganas tatendriya ganaha. So put a visarga there and then a comma. Devascha jataha is there. So put a if jatah. So the next one, the word is pratak. Ik is the word. But the next one we are joining with the next line, which is a no. So in some books, they would have put that nya, that letter nya is there, right? So that ik becomes nya. So it becomes pritang no. So you say those two lines together, you put a plus at the end of that. So if you're having ik in your book, then change it and put a nya, letter nya to that. Or if you already have that, then it's no worries. Sorry, Jayesh, you were saying something? Can't hear.
Is it the nya and the NYA?
Yeah. No, not nya.
No, okay.
So எதை எடுத்துட்டுங்க போடணும்னு சொல்றீங்க?
இல்ல அந்த first line endல do you have a ik or do you have a nga? You have a ik. Okay, so just put a nga. So the k
Maria.
அது சொல்றது it's ng nga. K g nga. So the g,
oh, the d mari irukuma aduva.
Yes, so you take the in sound and then you mix it with the g sound. So nga, right? So it becomes pritang no. Next line, no.
Pritak meaning another, Rajesh?
Let me see what it says. Pritak.
Because somebody asked me also in Devi Mahatmyam, what is the Pritak?
In our class.
Mama, right? Pritak.
Mama, somebody asked, yeah.
Yeah, we'll have to find out. I don't know.
Okay.
I don't know what this is. In this
Now
case,
I feel good. I didn't know because I said the same. I don't know.
Where it comes Pritak.
Twice varum.
Yeah.
It's either again and again or
that's what Danya said.
again and again or separate.
Yeah, that's what it is. Yeah, so it's something like that. It must be something like that. I don't know the exact thing.
Pritak sometimes, right?
பிரித்தாக்னு போட்டு தனித்தனியே இருந்தனன்னு போட்டிருக்கான். meaning.
The meaning report and the Prithak no shekur will be together. They are not capable by themselves, they are not able to do it in the meaning. But Prithak no shekur and the full sentence and the meaning. But Berum Prithak, I don't have to find out what it means.
Okay.
So anyway, so in that so Prithang no. Okay, Prithang no shekur bhuvananda nirmita vidhau, comma devairami-bhis tada. Devairami-bhis tada.
Nirmiti vidhau ala nirmita vidhau?
Nirmiti vidhau.
Nirmiti vidhau.
Nirmiti vidhau, comma devairami-bhis tada.
Rajesh,
அப்புறம்
can you
இந்த
say the second
Prithang
line again? Yeah.
Prithang நோக்கு அப்புறம் கமா இருக்கு இல்லையா?
இல்ல அந்த Prithang no shekur bhuvananda nirmiti vidhau அதுக்கப்புறம் comma. So the tatendriya ganaha we put a comma. Next comma is after vidhau.
Okay.
Rajesh, can you say the second line again?
No shekur bhuvananda nirmiti vidhau, comma devairami-bhis tada. एते भूतगणास्तथेन्द्रियगणाः देवाश्च जाता पृथङ् नो शेकुर्भुवनाण्ड निर्मितिविधौ देवैरमीभिस्तथा.
एते भूतगणास्तथेन्द्रियगणाः देवाश्च जाताः पृथङ् नो शेकुर्भुवनाण्ड निर्मितिविधौ देवैरमीभिस्तदा. एते भूतगणास्तथेन्द्रियगणाः देवाश्च जाताः पृथङ् नो शेकुर्भुवनाण्ड निर्मितिविधौ देवैरमीभिस्तदा.
एते भूतगणास्तदेन्द्रियगणाः देवाश्च जाताः पृथङ् नो शेकुर्भुवनाण्ड निर्मितिविधौ देवैरमीभिस्तदा. एते भूतगणास्ततेन्द्रियगणाः देवाश्च जाताः पृथङ् नो शेकुर्भुवनाण्ड निर्मितिविधौ देवैरमीभिस्तदा.
त्वं नानाविध सूक्तिभिर्नुत गुणः. So is there, remove that, put a visarga there, nuta gunaha, comma tatvanya munya vishan, put a in at the end of that line there and a comma. Tatvanya munya vishan, comma. Next line, if you have a ish in the next line, remove that ish off. Cheshta shaktim udirya. So cheshta shaktim udirya tani ghatayan, comma hairanyam andam. So hairanyam andam vedaha. Tvam nanavida suktibhirnuta gunaha tatvanya vishanhe चेष्टा शक्ति मुदीर्यता निघटयन् हैरण्यमण्डं व्यधाः.
त्वं नानाविधसूक्तिभिर्नुतगुणः तत्त्वान्यमून्याविशन् चेष्टा शक्तिमुदीर्यता निघटयन् हैरण्यमण्डं व्यधाः. त्वं नानाविधसूक्तिभिर्नुतगुणः तत्त्वान्यमून्याविशन् चेष्टा शक्तिमुदीर्यता निघटयन् हैरण्यमण्डं व्यधाः.
स्वं नानाविधसूक्तिभिर्नुतगुणः तत्त्वान्यमून्याविशन् चेष्टा शक्तिमुदीर्यता निघटयन् हैरण्यमण्डं व्यधाः. त्वं नानाविधसूक्तिभिर्नुतगुणः तत्त्वान्यमून्याविशन् चेष्टा शक्तिमुदीर्यता निघटयन् हैरण्यमण्डं व्यधाः.
अंडं तत्खलु पूर्वसृष्टसलिले तिष्ठत्सहस्रं समाः निर्भिन्दन्न कृताश्चतुर्दश जगद्रूपं विराडाह्वयम् साहस्रैः करपादमूर्धनिवहैः निःशेषजीवात्मको निर्भातोऽसि मरुत्पुराधिपसमां त्रायस्व सर्वामयात्. So andham tat khalu, comma, पूर्व सृष्ट सलिले तिष्ठत्, पूर्व सृष्ट सलिले तिष्ठत् सहस्रम समाः, कॉमा, निर्भिन्दन् न कृताश् चतुर्दश जगद्रूपं विराडाह्वयम्. अंडं तत् खलु पूर्वसृष्टसलिले तिष्ठत्सहस्रं समाः निर्भिन्दन्न कृताश्चतुर्दश जगद्रूपं विराडाह्वयम्.
अंडं तत् खलु पूर्वसृष्टसलिले तिष्ठत्सहस्रं समाः निर्भिन्दन्न कृताश्चतुर्दश जगद्रूपं विराडाह्वयम्. अंडं तत् खलु पूर्वसृष्टसलिले तिष्ठत्सहस्रं समाः निर्भिन्दन्न कृताश्चतुर्दश जगद्रूपं विराडाह्वयम्.
अंडं तत् खलु पूर्वसृष्टसलिले तिष्ठत्सहस्रं समाः निर्भिन्दन्न कृताश्चतुर्दश जगद्रूपं विराडाह्वयम्. अंडं तत् खलु पूर्वसृष्टसलिले तिष्ठत्सहस्रं समाः निर्भिन्दन्न कृताश्चतुर्दश जगद्रूपं विराडाह्वयम्.
Sahasraihi is there, so put a if. Sahasraih karapada murdha nivahaihi. So on top of that ni, if you have a ir, remove that and put a visarga and then a comma. Nivahaihi, comma. Nishesha jivatmako nirbhatosi, comma. Marutpuradipa samam trayasva sarvamayat. So in the so like I was telling earlier, right, in the Purusha Suktam, the first line of Purusha Suktam is Sahasrashirsha Purushaha Sahasrakshas Sahasrapat. So saying that Virat Rupam definition is you've got 1,000 heads, and 1,000 is just a number. The point is it's so big, or it's Mari. So you're omnipresent, right? So and you're able to do everything. So anala this is Sahasrashirsha Purushaha, 1,000 heads. Sahasrakshaha, 1,000 eyes, and Sahasrapat, 1,000 foot, right? So that's what here is Sahasraihi, 1,000, Kara Pada Nivahaihi, Karam, hands, Padam, feet, Nivahaihi, head. So this is actually defining the beginning of the Virat Rupam. So the previous one was how the Brahmanda Hiranya Garbha, which is the golden egg, the egg shape is getting formed, and how Vishnu then goes into that and activates that egg and then forms the 14 worlds. And that 14 worlds is called as a Virat, is referring to the 14 worlds. So Virat Rupam, which we're going to talk about in the next chapter, is the description of the Lord from top to bottom and how each part of the body is one of those worlds. So it's a description of those 14 worlds in the form of rod. That's why it's Virat Rupam. Is a Rupam, the form of those 14 worlds, right? So anyway, I'll tell one more thing when we come there. But so did I say the third and fourth or no? Chali, okay. So Sahasraih Karapada Murdha Nivahaihi Nishesha Jivatmako Nirbhatosi Marutpuradipasamam Trayasva Sarvamayat.
साहस्रैः करपादमूर्धनिवहैः निःशेषजीवात्मको निर्भातोऽसि मरुत्पुराधिपसमां त्रायस्य सर्वामयात्. त्रायस्व सर्वामयात्. साहस्रैः करपादमूर्धनिवहैः निःशेषजीवात्मको निर्भातोऽसि मरुत्पुराधिपसमां त्रायस्व सर्वामयात्।
साहस्रैकरपधा
करपाद
साहस्रैकरपादमूर्धनिवहैः நிசேஷஜீவாத்மகோ அதுக்கப்புறம் பாஸ் இருக்கா ராஜேஷ் மகோக்கு அப்புறம்
இல்ல சாஹஸ்ரை கரபாத மூர்த நிவஹைஹி காமா நிசேஷ ஜீவாத்மகோ காமா நிர்பாதோசி காமா.
ஓகே. நிர்பாதோசி மருட்புராதிபசமாம் त्रयस्व सर्वमयात् साहस्रैकरपादमूर्धनिवहैः निःशेषजीवात्मको निर्भातोऽसि मरुत्पुराधिपसमां त्रायस्व सर्वमयात्.
Shri Krishnaya Parabrahmane Namaha. We'll do a couple of stanzas of 6. So before we start 6, right? So I want you to kind of look at the 10th sloka of the 6th chapter before we start it. So I'll just explain the meaning of that so you'll pay more attention to this chapter. So Idrit Jaganmaya Vapustava Karma Bhajam Karma Vasana Samaye Smaraniyamahuho Tasyantaratma Vapushe Vimalatmanete Vatalayadipanamosthu Nirundhiroghan. So here in the first 9 stanzas, Bhattacharya is describing the Virat Rupam, like I said. So here in the 10th stanza, he says, this Virat, this form of you that I have described in the last 9 stanzas should be meditated by everybody at 2 points. One is Karma Vasana Samaye. So one is at the end of, you perform all the Vedic sacrifices. And so generally, Pathanaka, the Rudram, Ekadasa Rudram, Cholli Mudishte, at the end, we chant Purusha Suktam. Because Purusha Suktam is also describing this thing, right? So this should be said at the end of all the Vedic sacrifices. The second time it is saying is at the end of your prarabdha karma, when you are about to die, at the time of your death, it says you should meditate upon this Virat Rupam, right? At the time of your death. And it should be meditated upon. So in this, so and then he says, oh, salutations, the person who is in this Virat form, and eradicate all my ailments. So I'm kind of saying this so that you can mark this chapter and keep, right? So if there's a couple of chapters that you want to by heart, maybe this would be one of those chapters which you can try to memorize. So, okay, so let's get started. Stanza 1. Evam chaturdasha jaganmayatam gatasya pathalamīsha tava padatalam vadanti पाधोर्ध्वदेशमपि देवरसातलं ते घुल्फत् वयं खलु महातलमद्भुतात्मन्. So evam chaturdasha jagan mayatam gatasya, patalamisha tava padatalam vadanti padordhva deshamapi deva rasatalam te Gulphat Vayam Khalu Mahatalam Adbhudatman. Evam Chaturdasha Jaganmayatam Gatasya Patalamisha Tava Padatalam Vadanti Padordhvadeshamapi Deva Rasatalam Te Gulphat Vayam Khalu Mahatalam Adbhudatman.
So Rajesh, inga oru comma dhaan irukku illaya?
Yeah, only at the end of each line there is a comma, that's it.
Evam chaturdasha jaganmayatam gatasya patalamisha tava padatalam vadanti padordhvadeshamapi devarasatalam te gulpadvayam khalu mahatalam adbhutatman. Evam chaturdasha jaganmayatam gatasya पातालमीश तव पादतलं वदन्ति पादोर्ध्वदेशमपि देवरसातलं ते गुल्फद्वयं खलु महातलमद्भुतात्मन्.
एवं चतुर्दश जगन्मयतां गतस्य पातालमीश तव पादतलं वदन्ति पादोर्ध्वदेशमपि देवरसातलं ते Gulfa, yeah, Gulfadvayam.
And the pa, the fur kadiyadu, pa, the emphasis pa.
Okay, correct. Gulfadvayam khalu mahatalam adbudatman evam chaturdasha jaganmayatam gatasya patalamishatava padatalam vadanti padordvadeshamapi devarasatalam te gulfadvayam khalu mahatalam adbudatman.
Rajesh, so the whole chapter is ரொம்ப powerful and the last stanza
The whole chapter and the last stanza he is saying the Virat Rupam that I described in the last 9 stanzas. You say it at the end of every Vedic karma and at the time of your death.
Okay.
So you have to say the first 9. Even if you don't say the 10th, you have to say the first 9.
First time.
Stanza 2. Janghe talatalammatho sutalam cha janu kinchoru bhaga yugalam vitalatale dve kshonitalam jaganamambharamanganabihi vakshascha shakranilayastava chakrapane. Janghe talatalam atho sutalam cha janu, kinchoru bhaga yugalam Vitala-tale dve kshonitalam jaganam ambaram. So jaganam ambaram. Jaganam ambaramanga nabihi. So put a visarga at the end there and comma. Next line la ver on top of ver. If you have a ir, remove that off. Vakshascha shakra nilayas tava chakrapane. Jange talatalammatho sutalam cha janu kinchoru bhaga yugalam vitalatale dve kshonitalam jaganamambharamanganabihi vakshascha shakranilayastava chakrapane.
Janghe talatalammatho sutalam cha janu kinchoru bhaga yugalam vitalatale dve kshonitalam jaganamambharamanganabihi vakshascha shakranilayastava chakrapane.
Janghe. Second line. Kin. Idu not im kadiyadu.
Kincho.
Yeah. In. Yeah.
In. Chacha jajjanya andanya.
Yeah, correct.
Janghe talatalammatho sutalam cha janu kinchoru bhaga yugalam vitalatale dve kshonitalam jaganamambharamanganabihi vakshascha shakranilayastava chakrapane.
Jange talatalammatho sutalam cha janu kinchoru bhaga yugalam vitalatale dve kshonitalam jaganamambharamangana nabihi pakshascha shakra nilayastava chakrapane. Jange talatalammatho sutalam cha janu kinchoru bhaga yugalam adu
Yugalam la merun la.
Kinchoru bhaga yugalam vitalatale dve kshonitalam jaganamambharamanganabihi pakshascha shakranilayastava chakrapane.
Stanza 3. Griva mahastava mukham cha janastapastu phalam shirastava samastamayasya satyam evam jaganmayatano jagadashritairyapyanyer nibhaddavapushe bhagavan namaste. So griva mahastava mukham cha janastapastu, phalam shirastava samastamayasya satyam evam jaganmayatano jagadashritairyap, and you put a plus to join to the next line. So jagadashritairyapyanyer, because it's jagadashritairyaphi anyer. It's just joined. We are saying it together. So I don't know if anybody has it literally written that way in your book. Does anyone have it? Lakshmi ungalோட bookலயா? Okay. So Jagadashri Tair Api and Anyair அப்படினு இருக்குல்லையா? So you remove that and put a plus between those two lines. So it becomes Jagadashri Tai Rapyanyair. So அந்த Tai Ra Ip Yanyair. Okay, clear? ग्रीवामहस्तव मुखं च जनस्तपस्तु फालं शिरस्तव समस्तमयस्य सत्यम् एवं जगन्मयतनो जगदाश्रितैर्यप्यन्यैर्निबद्धवपुषे भगवन् नमस्ते
ग्रीवामहस्तव मुखं च जनस्तपस्तु फालं शिरस्तव समस्तमयस्य सत्यम् एवं जगन्मयतनो जगदाश्रितैरप्यन्यैर्निबद्धवपुषे भगवन् नमस्ते ग्रीवामहस्तव मुखं च जनस्तपस्तु फालं शिरस्तव समस्तमयस्य सत्यम् एवं जगन्मयतनो जगदाश्रितैरप्यन्यैर्निबद्धवपुषे भगवन् नमस्ते
ग्रीवामहस्तव मुखं च जनस्तपस्तु फालं शिरस्तव समस्तमयस्य सत्यम् एवं जगन्मयतनो
जगदाश्री तैरप्यन्यैर्
निबद्धवपुषे भगवन् नमस्ते. One more time சொல்லுங்க ராஜேஷ் அந்த ஏவம்.
So evam jaganmayatano jagadashritairyapyanyair
जगदाश्रितैरप्यन्यैर्
निबद्ध वपुषे
ग्रीवामहस्तव मुखं च जनस्तपस्तु फालं शिरस्तव समस्तमयस्य सत्यम् एवं जगन्मयतनो जगदाश्रितैरप्यन्यैर्निबद्धवपुषे भगवन् नमस्ते. Practice பண்ண.
No problem. Okay, maybe we'll do one or two more and stop. त्वद्ब्रह्मरन्ध्रपदमीश्वर विश्वकन्ध छन्दांसि केशवघनास्तव केशपाशाः उल्लासि चिल्लियुगलं द्रुहिणस्य गेहं पक्ष्मान्निरात्रिदिवसौ सविता च नेत्रे त्वद्ब्रह्मरन्ध्रपदमीश्वर विश्वकन्ध छन्दांसि केशव घनास्तव केशपाशाः उल्लासि चिल्लि युगलं द्रुहिणस्य गेहं पक्ष्मानि रात्रि दिवसौ सविता च नेत्रे त्वद्ब्रह्मरन्ध्रपदमीश्वर विश्वकन्ध छन्दांसि केशव घनास्तव केशपाशाः उल्लासि चिल्लि युगलं द्रुहिणस्य गेहं पक्ष्मानि रात्रिदिवसौ सविता च नेत्रे
त्वद्ब्रह्मरन्ध्रपदमीश्वर विश्वकन्द छन्दांसि केशवघनास्तव केशपाशाः उल्लासि चिल्लियुगलं द्रुहिणस्य गेहं पक्ष्माणि रात्रिदिवसौ सविता च नेत्रे त्वद्ब्रह्मरन्ध्रपदमीश्वर विश्वकन्द छन्दांसि केशवघनास्तव केशपाशाः उल्लासि चिल्लियुगलं द्रुहिणस्य गेहं पक्ष्माणि रात्रिदिवसौ सविता च नेत्रे
त्वद्ब्रह्मरन्ध्रपदमीश्वर विश्वकन्द छन्दांसि केशवघनास्तव केशपाशाः उल्लासि चिल्लियुगलं गृहिणस्य गेहं पक्ष्माणि रात्रिदिवसौ सविता च नेत्रे त्वद्ब्रह्मरन्ध्रपदमीश्वर विश्वकन्द छन्दांसि केशवघनास्तव केशपाशाः उल्लासि चिल्लियुगलं द्रुहिणस्य गेहं पक्ष्माणि रात्रिदिवसौ सविता च नेत्रे.
One more and then we'll stop after 5. निःशेष विश्वरचना च कटाक्ष मोक्षः कर्णौ दिशोष्वियुगलं तव नासिके द्वे लोभत्रपे च भगवन्नधरोत्तरोष्ठौ तारागणाश्च दशनाः शमनश्च दंष्ट्रा. निःशेष विश्वरचना च कटाक्ष मोक्षः कॉमा कर्णौ.
Rajesh, one more time சொல்லுங்களேன் அந்த லைன்.
निःशेष विश्व रचना च कटाक्ष मोक्षः कॉमा कर्णौ दिशोष्वियुगलं तव नासिके द्वे लोभत्रपे च anga bhagavan and then double na there, so bhagavanna dharotha comma tara ganascha dashanaha, so put a ish there, dashanash shamanascha damstra.
On the last line one more time.
Tara ganascha, is it does it say tara ganaha?
இல்ல கணாஷ்ச தான்
Okay,
போட்டுருக்கு.
tara ganascha dashanaha is there, right? So put
ரா இருக்கு இல்லையா?
ஆமா, ர இருக்கு.
ரதனாஷ்
கணாஷ்டக்கு அப்புறம் ரா இருக்கு.
ரதனாஷ் ஷமன்.
sorry புரியல எனக்கு, I didn't get it.
நோ கணாஷ்டக்கு அப்புறம் அங்க ஒரு ரா இருக்கு நினைக்கிறேன்.
ரதனாஷ் இருக்கு, ரதனாஷ் இருக்கு.
ரதனாஷ்ச ஷமன்ஷ்ச.
Can you just take a picture and send it on WhatsApp? I'll check later. I don't see that, so
Yeah, I don't see that either. எனக்கு தாரா கணாஷ்ச தசனாஷ் ஷமனஷ்ச
அப்ப அந்த
தம்ஷ்டா.
எக்ஸ்ட்ரா இருக்கு இந்த ரா.
எக்ஸ்ட்ரா ரா இருக்கு.
நான் இருக்கு எங்க bookல.
okay. So I have what same thing as what Danya is also having. So I don't know what you have, the rest of them. So just send me a picture of it. I'll check what it is. But right now, Tara Ganashcha Dashanaha. So put a ish Dashanash Shamanashcha Damstra.
தஷனாவாது
Dashanaha.
தஷனாஹா.
Naha irukku. So you put a ish to remove the visarga.
So tara ganashcha dashanaha.
So Dashanash. And ish put nude. Instead of the visarga, put a ish there.
Okay. Dashanash. Then?
Shamanashcha.
Okay. Shamanashcha damstra.
Correct.
Okay.
Can you just say it one more time, Rajesh?
Yeah.
Tara ganashcha kapram eppadi aakam?
Tara Ganashcha Dashanash
Dashanash. Okay, Dashanash.
Shamanashcha
Okay, Dashanash.
Damstra.
Okay, thank you. Got it.
निःशेष विश्वरचना च कटाक्ष मोक्षः कर्णौ दिशोष्वियुगलं तव नासिके द्वे लोभत्रपे च भगवन्नधरोत्तरोष्ठौ तारा गणाश्च दशनाः शमनश्च दंष्ट्रा.
निःशेष विश्वरचना च कटाक्ष मोक्षः कर्णौ दिशोष्वियुगलं तव नासिके द्वे लोभत्रपे च भगवन्नधरोत्तरोष्ठौ तारागणाश्च दशनाः शमनश्च दंष्ट्रा. निःशेष विश्वरचना च कटाक्ष मोक्षः कर्णौ दिशोष्वियुगलं तव नासिके द्वे लोभत्रपे च भगवन्नधरोत्तरोष्ठौ तारागणाश्च दशनाः शमनश्च दंष्ट्रा.
निःशेष विश्वरचना च कटाक्ष मोक्षः कर्णौ दिशोष्वियुगलं तव नासिके द्वे लोभत्रपे च भगवन्नधरोत्तरोष्ठौ तारागणाश्च दशनाः शमनश्च दंष्ट्रा. निःशेष विश्वरचना च कटाक्ष मोक्षः कर्णौ दिशोष्वियुगलं तव नासिके द्वे लोभत्रपे च भगवन्नतरोत्तरोष्टौ तारागणाश्च दशनाशमनश्च दंष्ट्रा।
कृष्णाय परब्रह्मणे नमः। सान्द्रानन्दावबोधात्मकमनुपमितं कालदेशावरेभ्यां निर्मुक्तं नित्यमुक्तं निगमशतसहस्रेण निर्भास्यमानम् अस्पष्टं दृष्टमात्रे पुनरुरुपुरुषार्थात्मकं ब्रह्मतत्त्वं तत्तावत् भाति साक्षात् गुरुपवनपुरे हन्त भाग्यं जनानां कायेन वाचा मनसेन्द्रियैर्वा बुद्ध्यात्मना वा प्रकृते स्वभावात् करोमि यत् सकलं परस्मै नारायणायेति समर्पयामि।
Thanks, Rajesh.
Thank you
Thank
everyone.
you, Rajesh. Thank